Thank you to Toto as he is going to be narrating this video for me. This video is now way easier to make. So again, thank you to him.
Thank you, Zoui, for letting me come on. This video today is on a fan of Skeppy. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I recommend you do.
In Skeppy's next video where he traps players in a snow globe. The title says 100, making the title player count 700. And from looking at it, Skeppy showed us there were 99 people, and minus him in Mega PvP, that gives us 97. So the total for the actual count is 702.
In the video after that, which is where Skeppy traps 100 kids in a village, the title count goes up to 800. And the actual count, by our best guess, there are actually 77 people. That brings the count up to 779.
The rainbow parkour trapping gives us the number 900 for the title count, and as for the real count, there were probably 50 non-off people, making the real count go to 829.
Now the next video, Skeppy gives us 100 for the title, and in the video he says he has about 50 people, so that's the number we're going to use.
There is an exact number of 25 people trapped in the next video, and Skeppy does not boast a number in the title, giving us the numbers of title, still 1000, and actual recorded evidence, 904.
Now the next video, Skeppy gives us 100 for the title, and in the video he says he has about 50 people, so that's the number we're going to use.
Now he trapped the players in a triangle, which starts of this trend of trapping in really weird shapes. The title says 100, bringing the total to 1100, and the video gives us around 50 players, which brings the total to 1096.
Now brings along the really weird shapes like this one, the hyperboloid, which brings in 100. What is raffle? Raffle. What the heck is a hyperboloid? I don't even know how to pronounce that. I love hyperboloids. Now brings along the really weird shapes, like this one, the hyperboloid. What the heck is raffle? What is raffle? Stop saying raffle. Now brings along the really weird shapes, like this one, the hyperboloid, which brings in 100 title players. Total 1,200. Also, the video gives us 45, bringing the total up to 1,145. Thank you, Zoui, for letting me accompany you in your video.
Now Skeppy traps supposedly 100 people in an Apollonian gasket, making the total 1,300, and the actual count is 1,205 because we found 60 people. There's no title count for the final video, but we found 55 people. Now for the final standings. The title count final is 1,300. And the final count for the video is 1,260. Meaning the title count won by 40 players. That means that Skeppy boasts more than he actually trapped. Thank you for watching. This took a while to make, so I appreciate you for watching, even if you just skipped to the end to see what the final counts were. Also thank you to Toto for helping me voice this, it meant a lot. I put a link to him in the description. Goodbye.
Japanese symbol, poop, Japanese symbol, poop, Japanese symbol, poop, Japanese symbol, poop server.
When I say ball, you know it's about you, ball boy Halo. There's something everyone needs to tell you. You've been living on lies for